Why did it knock me out? Looks like we have 6 more to go. The Gauntlet. Let's go.
For the win!
Okay. Oh, what are we doing? We're messing up. Alright.
CodeCombat.
Your hero must survive, defeat all 4 ogres under 6 statements. Sheesh. Use what you learned to defeat the ogres. Remember, it takes 2 attacks to defeat an ogre munchkin. Oh my gosh. So I'm wondering if we can throw this in a wild loop. Like, can we move right, find an ogre, attack, move right, find an ogre? We're gonna try that. I'm gonna just see if I can do it this way. Cause what I want is I want to move right, find the enemy, attack the enemy, and then keep moving right, and then find them and attack them, and keep moving right. Otherwise, I believe we would have to make 4 ogre enemy things. So it'd be like move right. That's too many lines of code.
Move right. I see.
There we go. Attack, move right. Attack, move right. Attack, move right. Yes. 4 statements. Let's go. Oh, okay. Well, that's what's up, person. Welcome to the chat. How you feel?